junkfoodtaster.com, and today we check out snacks, and for flushing I got aloe vera drink. So let's do it. How many snacks you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it. So this is a new beefy flavor, chorizo. Alright, there's a 5-pack. Let's get one of these and let's unbox them. Okay, and they have this film around, which you then remove like this and start eating. And it's very, very reddish. Yeah, so it's super oily. I think all of my fingers are oily now. See? There we go. Yeah. I like it. I want to eat more. I want to eat the whole packaging. Anyways, next product. I got this fancy chips here. Let's do this one first. Mitsuba. The flavor salted caramel edam. I'm not quite sure what this is. Looks very strange. Okay. It seems to be peanut. I don't know. So the beefy is in the stomach. Let's eat this. Yeah, it must be puffs. It must be corn puffs. What is this? Peanuts. No. It's soybeans. Oh my god. Never seen something like this. Feels very light. I don't get it. So the green thing seems to be some coating or something. I don't get it. Anyways, I need to flush. I've got the aloe vera drink. Alrighty, here we go. So how much aloe vera is in here? 30%, so this will be a banger, I think. Let's do it. I love the color of the bottle here. Nice mint green. There, cheers. Yeah, the stuff swims around. Look at this. Can you see it? Little aloe vera pieces. Okay, this is a nice drink. I had one from Thailand, but the one from Thailand, I didn't like the water they used. Yeah, this is perfect. Made in Taiwan. Many greetings to all my viewers from Taiwan. Yeah. So, do I have viewers from Taiwan? This is a question. Anyways, so this is garlic, and yeah, I just included it for fun reasons. It's not a typical snack product, but I have to say the beefy is oily as well, so it's a nice click. With an opening. Now I get a spoon. This would be more like a cooking ingredient. Let's see. Very sour. I think you can taste it super healthy. Now the garlic, we finish the garlic vibes kick in. Hey. Do you snack garlic like this? Let me know. Okay, anyways. I still have to think about this product. I think you can get glue of it. It's a little bit like popcorn, a little bit like puff rice, a little bit like peanuts. Next one. It's this brand again, Mitsuba. And this is like the seaweed crisps. So basically, this is like, I think, this Netherlands. So I think these are snack stuff. This concept originally from Asia, and they now start to try to sell it on the, or somebody tries to sell this style snacks on the European market. Oh, so this. Okay. Here we go. Kind of spicy. Yeah, I like it. I'm sort of waiting for the seaweed to kick in. This is like super healthy. This here, I think. Okay. Now, in the end, we got some mainstream product, but I show you this. So this is also. Oh, I need to flush. Cheers. I haven't described the taste of aloe vera, didn't I? So this tastes fruity. It's a very full adult taste, this aloe vera. Very creamy and oily. Yeah. I hope it's healthy as well. So this is I guess I wanted to show you this anyways. Hey, this is a vegan cheese replacement product, and it's made from water, cocoa oil, modified starch. Yeah, and it tastes very good. And somebody says for snacking. I also I eat it without making a sandwich. Yeah. Let's say it comes on this trays, which look like cheese trays. Then we have the slices. There are different ones, or different producers of fake cheese, but this one is the best. This is BioLife. It's very tasty substance with no off taste. It's nutty and smooth. No. Okay, next products, please. Two ones are left. So, we got two mainstream products. So this is POM-BÄR, and this is a mini. And yeah, I think POM-BÄR was also like in our place on the map there. So it's a very German snack. And it's made in the oven, has 50% less fat, and it's not fried. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I was just going around and grabbing random things, of course, like always. Here they are, look ridiculous. Yeah, there's a powder smell on the air. No, this I think is very unhealthy. This is this super processed food vibes. There we go. You know what's common? I always got stuff. It's very empty in the middle. I don't like the taste, I have to tell you. Tastes very trivial. A little bit of slight paprika. This product tastes very empty. Maybe because it is very empty. Yeah, I crushed one of these. Nothing left. The trash pile. Ah. Last product for today. This is Tuk sour cream and onion. I think this is very famous. I think I have seen YouTube advertisement of it. See, I just tried to figure out the company. Mondelez, so the same company which makes Milka, for instance. Okay, here are the crackers. This is the flavor sour cream. Oh, this costs fast. Okay. Awesome. It's like super meshy in the mouth. I'm not quite sure whether it's good or not. Taste is awesome. And the consistency. Super fluffy, crunchy. Okay. Right, so here we go, logbook time. Episode 190. And I just ate a little bit more of these because they fall off the back. And yeah. So this I don't like too much. This was, have I wrote it down actually? Okay, so I even forgot to write it down. So this is mitsuba. Mitsuba. And here it also says, inspired by Nagano salted beans. Salted beans. And the flavor is here edamame, whatever. So I don't like this. I don't get into the groove. Yeah, it's not for me. I think it's, I don't know, it feels random. Okay, I rate this one fail. Then I definitely rate the POM-BÄR fail. Okay. Where is this one? Yeah, POM-BÄR mini paprika. Almost for a while. I like the wasabi stuff. Yeah. This is cool. Mitsuba wasabi. So then I like Bifi as well. So Bifi is like brand household name in Germany for like salami, snack salami. It also says the original. So I like the Aloe Vera drink. So I will definitely buy more because I think maybe it benefits my health. I hope I will try it out. If it's just for the feeling, you know. Alrighty. So this is one of my favorite products here. This is sold in one particular supermarket here. The same one which is on this here. Rewe. This is what I just wanted to show the supermarket, now the product. I put it back in the fridge, okay. So when I go to this Rewe, I buy these multiple times because I like them so much. So now I wasted your time. Next point here, the garlic here, hard to rate. I like it. Normally you would like, when you make pasta and you would add it to the sauce of the pasta or something. Oh, you're not red. Green, please. This one is nice. And yeah, this one very kind of cool, a very cool taste. But it turns into a very nasty mash. So I read wrong. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know whether you like the tuck mesh or not. Okay, so that was this episode. I hope you liked it. Tomorrow is the voting and Magnum wins the voting. So we have some more Magnum ice cream tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you soon.